Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tiana's delicious beignets with an easy guide. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Don't forget 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, and 1 large egg. Finally, grab 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, 1 teaspoon of salt, and plenty of powdered sugar for dusting. Now let's get started on the dough. Begin by dissolving the yeast and a pinch of sugar in the warm water. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. In a large bowl, combine the flour, remaining sugar, salt, and shortening. Gradually add the yeast mixture, evaporated milk, and the egg. Mix until a soft dough forms. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a light texture. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning once to coat. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm spot for at least 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Use a knife or pastry wheel to cut the dough into 2-inch by 2-inch squares. This size is perfect for classic beignets. Finally, it's time to fry these delightful treats. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few beignet squares into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 30 seconds on each side until they puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towels, and generously dust with powdered sugar. Serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.